Hi, my name is Misty at Well Keeping Mom, and today I'm going to be showing you how to freeze eggs. It's come to my attention that not everybody knows how to do this. I was sharing with some friends the other day that I was buying eggs by the flat for $1 because the egg farm where I get my eggs at just had way too many eggs. And so they were trying to get rid of them. Now normally I would buy 2 or 3 flats in a month. This month I actually got 12 flats of eggs, and each flat of course has 2.5 dozen. So that's a lot of eggs. So what I'm going to show you is how I freeze eggs. Okay, first you're going to want them baggies. And I've written on my baggies what I want in each one. Now these are egg yolks. I like to freeze my egg yolks for things like custard. Egg yolks freeze very well and very easy to use. So first we're going to take our egg. If I can get it to crack open, there we go. And I'm going to separate it. This is how I separate eggs. Not everybody does it this way. Some people use an egg separator. To me, that just takes more time than necessary. And here I have my Norwex paper towel cloth, basically. I like to have my hands clean even when I'm in the midst of dirty work. So I like to just keep cleaning my hands. Be very careful at this point not to break your yolk. However, if this happens, you can always just freeze the whole egg, which I will show you how to do in just a few minutes. Okay, now, here I have my 2 egg yolks. Each of my recipes for custard takes 2 yolks. So I want to push as much air as I can out of the bag. That will help keep it from getting freezer burnt too soon. So there I have my 2 egg yolks. I don't need to do any more with that. Now I'm going to take my egg whites and put them in here. This is actually a Pampered Chef little bowl, and it has measurements there that tells me how many, like a 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, all the way to 1 cup. So I know that here I have, I believe it's 1/2 cup. So I like to use these portion size bags that tell me cup wise. And so here I have my egg whites. And so I'll pour that in. Again, make sure you get as much air out of there as possible. And I'm just going to grab my Sharpie and I'm going to circle that 1/2 cup there. That way I know for sure that that's a 1/2 cup of egg whites. Okay, so now we're going to freeze the whole egg. To do that, I've switched my egg shells over to the big bowl. We're just going to keep using that. And I like to put them in here first. That way if I get any shells or anything in there, I can just go ahead and pull those out. Okay, so my first bag is for 2 eggs. Now you can use frozen eggs for so many things. I wouldn't recommend them for making scrambled eggs, although you can. That's much better with fresh eggs. I make a lot of muffins, and so these come in really handy. Okay, so again, we're going to get as much air out of the bag as possible. And you don't want to freeze it just like this. You want to shake it up a little bit. You can buy whole eggs in cartons, same as egg white, and they come all shook up and mixed together. So we're just going to go ahead and smush it up and give it a shake, and there you go. You have your whole eggs ready to go. Take them out a little bit before you're going to use them, or you can thaw them out in a bowl of hot water. Just don't leave them in there too long. You don't want to cook your eggs before you cook your eggs. Okay, so there we go. That's how we prepare to freeze our eggs. Okay, so here we go. This container was mounded with eggs. And so now I have everything all ready to go. I have packs of 2, packs of 3, and packs of 4. Now 4 is the most amount of eggs that will fit in one of these snack size baggies. So I did a lot of 3s. I did quite a few egg yolks and a lot of egg whites too. I use a lot of egg whites in my cooking. If you like this video, please hit like below. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them too. I love to hear from you. And also, I just wanted to let you know that this is a great project to do with little people. If you have young children in your home, this would be a really good hands-on thing. Let them help you do this. They would just love the little poking the bags of eggs to break up the yolks and giving it a little shake. Would be a great way to have fun with your child and help them learn at the same time. Okay, have a great day. Bye.